In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook error login today quickly and safely using a few simple steps that work for most login problems. If Facebook is not letting you sign in, showing an error message, or just not loading properly, don't worry, because in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes one by one. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. If you're on a computer, just press F5 on your keyboard or tap the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook login errors happen because the page didn't load correctly, and a simple refresh is enough to fix it. After refreshing, try signing in again and see if the problem is gone. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your username and password. It sounds basic, but a small typing mistake can cause a login error. Make sure your email, phone number, or username is entered correctly, and double-check that your password is exact. Also pay attention to caps lock, saved passwords, or autofill mistakes, because one wrong character can stop you from logging in. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook login errors, especially if the page keeps timing out or freezing. Try opening another website to see if it loads normally. If your connection is slow, restart your Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data, then try logging in again. A stable connection can make a big difference. If you're still getting the error, clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can sometimes interfere with Facebook sign-in. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cached files. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try logging in again. This step often fixes strange login issues that keep coming back. Another great fix is to try Incognito mode. Open a private browsing window and go to Facebook from there. Incognito mode uses a clean session with old cookies or saved data that may be causing the error. If Facebook works in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data, extensions, or stored login information. If Facebook still won't log in after trying these steps, try combining them. Refresh the page, verify your login details, check your connection, clear the cache, and then test incognito mode. Going through the steps in order helps you find the cause faster and usually gets you back into your account without needing anything complicated. And if this video helped you fix the Facebook error login today, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, app tutorials, and easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.